Hey guys, today we are in Hayes Park Village in Oldsmar, Florida. I'm Shannon Minch. I'm a realtor here in the greater Tampa Bay area. And today we're going to take a look at my newest listing in Oldsmar, Florida. So Hayes Park Village, it is so cute. It is such a unique boutique community, and it's made up of freestanding and semi-attached townhomes. You're about 20 minutes from downtown Tampa. You're probably 10 maybe from Clearwater. It's situated really nicely between the larger city of Tampa and being close to the beaches, which is awesome. It is such a cute little community. It's got so much fun southern charm. We don't have a lot of architecture like this around Tampa, so I get really excited when we see communities that have a little bit more character. My listing today is one of the detached townhomes here, and they're just so adorable. Something I absolutely love about this community is it has all of the convenience of living in a townhome, low maintenance. Your yard maintenance is paid for by the HOA. You don't have to deal with it, which is so nice and convenient, and they do such a good job on it here. But you don't have any shared walls. So you get the convenience of townhome living without having to have shared walls and still having the privacy of having a single family home. If you would like to reach out to me about Tampa Bay real estate, my phone number is 813-370-6300, and my email is long but simple. It's shannon@welivewheretheyvacation.com. So come on, let's go take a look. So today we are at 320 Vista Cruiser Lane in Oldsmar, Florida. It's this one right behind me. Just a couple of things I absolutely love about this community and this property. It just is so sweet seeing the brick paved walkways in between the homes. It's got just a beautifully manicured common space, and I just love the southern charm with all of the architectural designs here. This one does have a really beautiful little balcony over the front porch, and it just has this big front porch. So I absolutely love it so much. I just think it's such a cute property, and I can't wait to take a look. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, freestanding townhome. What I mean by that is it is a townhome style community, but this specific home does not share any walls with any other homes in the neighborhood. So it is technically a house in a townhome style community. All of the areas for the most part are communal and maintained by the HOA, and they are maintained brilliantly. So it's about 1,455 square foot. So come on, let's take a look inside. That I absolutely love about this home are the upgrades. You've got wood-like tile throughout the downstairs. You've got plantation shutters on the front of the home. It's just one of those things that you can tell thought went into the design of this property. It's beautiful, it feels expensive, and it has a little touch of Southern charm. So I love this little community. It's such a small boutique community tucked away in Oldsmar. It's so cute. They've got this fun fire pit that you can gather and have a little, bonfire and hang out with your friends. There's a cute little community park. You can see right over here some of the red, that's the signage for the park. So community park, super close if you've got kids, bonfire, beautifully well maintained common spaces, and just look at the Southern charm. How can you not be in love?